Techno update. Subscribe now.
Elephone S8 review. Design. The SIM card tray, which can accept two different nano SIMs at once, is on the left edge, while on the bottom you'll find the USB Type-C port and the single speaker. There's no 3.5mm headphone socket, but Elephone has included a USB Type-C to 3.5mm port adapter so you can still use your old cans. Screen. The first thing that hits you when you pick up the Elephone S8 is that massive 6-inch, 2K resolution screen, which fills almost the entirety of the phone's front. With its 2560 by 1440 pixel resolution, the screen on the S8 is undoubtedly the star of the show. Not only is it pin-sharp, colors look vibrant and contrast is excellent. Viewing angles are rock solid, too. Software. As is the case with so many Chinese Android phones, the Elephone S8 comes with a mostly stock version of Google's mobile OS. It's running 7.1.1, so it's not quite on the cutting edge, but it will be up-to-date enough for most users. Performance. A MediaTek Helio X25 dual-core CPU is running the show here, and while this isn't a setup which is likely to trouble flagships handsets from Sony, HTC or Samsung, it's more than adequate for most users. With 4GB of RAM keeping things ticking over, I didn't notice any sluggishness or awkward pauses during typical day-to-day usage, and the S8 was capable of toggling between applications easily, even quite demanding processes like playing back HD video on YouTube. The S8's single speaker is another mild disappointment. It showcases a lot of distortion at high volumes, so if you're going to watch movies or listen to music on it, you'll almost certainly want to use a pair of headphones, be they wireless Bluetooth or connected via the aforementioned USB Type-C to 3.5mm dongle. Camera. The 21-megapixel sensor is, according to the marketing material, designed to maximize detail in low-light environments. While the quality of the captured images is decent enough, with minimal compression and good color replication, it takes so long to focus and capture a shot that most of the time it's almost impossible to get the snap you want. Video recording goes all the way up to 3840 by 2160 resolution, but it's quite fuzzy in low light and the sound of the camera focusing is often picked up on the audio track. The front-facing 8-megapixel camera takes average-looking selfies but is limited to 480p video. Battery life. Elephone has wisely included big battery to go along with that big screen. The 4000 mAh power cell is larger than that found on other market-leading devices, and while low-cost Chinese phones are rarely as well optimized when it comes to power consumption, we were able to make it through a whole 24 hours without any major issues. Fast charging is supported, so topping up that roomy battery isn't too much of a headache. It takes around an hour and a half to fully charge, which isn't bad when you consider the size of the cell.